I am so excited for today's One Brand Wash Day. In case you're brand new here, my name's Courtney and I love playing around with all things wavy curly hair science. And for a while now, we've been doing a series on this channel called One Brand Wash Days, wherein we test out 3 products on one head of hair, all from the same brand, so that you can see side by side comparisons about how different products perform, so that you can decide whether or not these products may or may not work best for you. Today I will be cheating just a little bit. Why? Because we are doing a One Brand Wash Day with Tootilab. How cute is that? I think I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I am mortified, but that's how I've been saying it in my head, and it's such a cute name. This is a brand new curly hair brand that has been really carefully formulated to actually work for all curl types. It's meant to help eliminate the 10-step routine, keep things simple while also maximizing results. Yeah, that sounds pretty great. Why don't we go ahead and take a look at the before hair before we go play around with these products. And yes, my hair is very fluffy, brushed out. You saw me just rip it out of the bun. My roots and stuff are greasy. The links and ends are very undefined and a little bit dry and in need of some love. So let's go fix all of my hair problems right now.
When I tell you that I am so excited for this wash day, I mean so excited. I've been seeing a lot of wavy curly girls play around with this brand on the internet, and I cannot wait to try them out for myself. I'm so excited. All right, now that my hair is nice and soaking wet, I'm going in with the Gentle shampoo, and I'm about to do an absolutely terrible job of showing you that there's actually Braille on the bottle. How cool is that? I think that's a really neat touch. This also contains prebiotics, which are meant to help balance your scalp's microbiome. On their website, they say that this is a gentle but deep cleansing shampoo. It's supposed to leave the scalp clean without making the hair feel stripped, which I'm really interested to see because that feels like the battle that I'm always fighting. With my oily, greasy scalp, most shampoos overstrip my hair, but get my scalp clean. And I'm hoping that this one lands in the middle, gives me a good balance. All right, first cleanse through. You can see that the shampoo didn't really foam and lather just a whole lot. This is really normal for me with sulfate-free shampoos. So I'm actually gonna go in for a double cleanse. And why? Why did I grab so much shampoo on the second time around for the double cleanse? I don't know. I needed about half of that. Anyway, you can already see that the shampoo is foaming and sudsing so much more the second time around. I find that this double cleansing technique is absolutely marvelous for my greasy hair. Now I'm pulling that lather through the links of my hair to cleanse the links of my hair and rinsing really thoroughly. Now I'm going in with the detangling conditioner. Again, on the bottle, there is some Braille, which is just not showing up at all on my camera. It also has the prebiotics in it as well, just like the shampoo. And on their website, it says instantly detangles all curl types, extreme slip for easy brushing under the shower, smooth and silky texture, doesn't weigh the hair down. I must have had something going on with my hair today because I was actually having trouble getting my hair to detangle. So I'm going to use a trick that I've had in my back pocket for a long time, and that is to add a touch of water to my hair when the conditioner's in it. And you can see now the tangles are just melting out. The conditioner does have a lot of slip. It didn't at first, but I mean, they did say on their website that it had extreme slip for easy brushing under the shower. Okay, now that my hair is thoroughly finger detangled, I'm gonna do what I always do and finish distributing that conditioner through my hair with the Bounce Curl brush. I like this brush. I like this brush a lot. In fact, in my bounce curl comparison video, y'all seem to think that that brush gave me better curl clumps. All right, again, adding a touch of water to the back of my head and now doing something called squish to condition. I find that as someone with wavy hair, the hydrogen bonds in my hair are quite weak, and adding this step reactivates my hydrogen bonds in my hair, and you can just see how chunky and spirally and clumpy my hair is. It really liked this shampoo and this conditioner. When my hair clumps up like that after squish to condition, it's a very good sign. All right, here's where I'm cheating. I'm using a leave-in conditioner. Again, it does have the braille on the front, and she means it when she says this is a concentrated formula. I made that mistake the first time I played with these products. I used way too much leave-in conditioner. You really only need a tiny bit of this. And just watch as I rub my hands together. This is one of those products that just like keeps going and keeps going and keeps going and quadruples in the amount you use if you really warm it up in your hands. Once I've got that finger combed through, I'm going to use my Bounce Curl Clump and Define brush to define my hair. And while I'm doing that, I want to justify myself by saying that the reason I'm using this leave-in conditioner is I really felt like my hair needs it. The weather's finally cooling off. The air is a little bit drier here in Texas than it has been, and I needed the leave-in conditioner today. Okay, so I know that this hasn't been the format that I've been using with the One Brand Washdays, but we're doing it today. Also, I wanted to say that the fragrance on all of these products, each of these products does have a scent to it. They all go together really beautifully, and a much more detailed description of the fragrance is on the website than I can give you here. So if you're wondering what the products smell like, check out Tootilab's website. She'll tell you exactly how they smell. Now that I've got my curls all defined exactly the way I like, I'm giving my hair a quick little scrunch, and don't hate me, but I also forgot to do my swing curl clump method. I just organized my curl clumps, scrunched my hair, and went straight into the all-weather styling gel. I don't know why I forgot to do that today, but I did. Again, the bottle has braille on it, and this is the coolest feature ever. There is heat protectant in the gel. Why is this? Why haven't we been doing this all along, hair care companies? This needs to be the standard. Can we just have this be the standard now? Thank you. That is the texture of the gel, and it is described as a medium flexible hold. It's meant to define curls and prevent frizz. It also protects your hair from rain and humidity and hot weather, protects from heat damage, and it claims no flakes or stickiness. I liked the consistency and texture of this gel. It smoothed out really easily in my hands, and I just glazed it over and took my time scrunching and pulsing it in everywhere. This is what the curl clumps are looking like after I've applied that gel. Honestly, very little wet frizz, and things are looking really good. Now it's time to plop my hair and diffuse, and I'll see you in a sec.
And here we are with the hair 100% dry. My light's not working, so the lighting's different, but it dried really nicely and it's looking really cute in the cast. So I'm very excited to see how this scrunches out. Oh, I meant to show you the cast. There, can you see? It's a decent cast. It's not super crispy crunchy. It's like mildly crispy crunchy. Ooh, there's some pretty stuff in there. I'm excited. If you sing when you scrunch out the crunch, your hair turns out better. Just letting you know. Ooh. Oh, wow. This is what the hair is looking like, 100% dry, scrunched out, and fluffed. And I will be back at the end of the night to show you how it's holding up, and back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the night. I'm very tired. very sleepy, but this is how the hair held up through my wild and crazy mom life. Really, the hold is pretty good. It did droop some and there's a little bit of frizz, but the definition that I have is amazing. And my hair feels really soft and silky. It's very, very touchable and nice, but maybe not crazy hard hold, more of a medium to hard hold versus like on the lighter hold. So I'm tired. I told y'all the words are not working anymore. I will see y'all in the morning to show you how it held up overnight. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and am about to go on my morning run. I only thought it was fair to check in on this hair before doing the morning run. I just recently started running again, so the majority of the One Brand Washday Day 2 check-ins are before I go work out, before I do anything wild and aggressive with my hair. So keeping things consistent, I'm showing you before I basically go throw this back in a pineapple and run for 30 minutes. So please excuse my sleepy morning voice, but this is what the hair is looking like on the morning of day 2 with 0 refresh. Wow. I haven't even let this hair settle, which means you take your hair down out of the overnight pineapple and you basically don't look at it for 5 to 15 minutes and then you come back and assess. Usually when you take your hair straight out of the overnight pineapple, there's some wonky bits, some pieces pointing in strange directions, but I would say that this hair looks almost flawless for coming straight out of the overnight pineapple and doing nothing to it. My hair feels nice and lightweight. It still smells good from the products from yesterday. I'm really impressed. This was pretty lovely. There's something about this brand that feels really special and unique to me. I really do think that these products would work for a really, really wide range of hair types. I appreciate the intentionality in the formulations. The gel has heat protectant. What? Why are we not doing this in every curly hair gel? It had great hold. It made my hair shiny. It made it feel soft and nice and lovely. This brand really impressed me. I was honestly not expecting to be this blown away by the products, but the shampoo is incredibly gentle. The conditioner is moisturizing yet lightweight. That leave-in conditioner is really powerful. I feel like you could really adjust your conditioning needs based solely on that leave-in conditioner. And what I mean by that is if you have a drier, coarser hair type that requires a lot more conditioning, just use slightly more of the leave-in conditioner. And if you have finer hair that requires less conditioning, less hydration, less moisture, then just dial back the amount that you're using. This is awesome. I have giant chunky ringlets everywhere, all over my head. I'm thoroughly impressed and still pretty sleepy. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go on my morning run and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.